July long, 2020. We are camped just off Highway 591 on the edge of the road going into the Caroline Snowmobile Club. This is a tight fit for Lennon Burrow's trailer. As you can see, the tree right against on that side. They couldn't push the big slide out on this side. Friday afternoon we split a little firewood. Our Saturday morning start. This is Highway 591 coming west out of Caroline. We're just going to go down here a little ways. Ditches just have a little bit of water in this weekend. No shortage of water out here this weekend. As you can tell, the guys are running through pretty deep water. We're staying high and dry, so are these guys. Big puddle on the right here. We went around it. Maria doesn't like so much water, but we gotta go through this anyway. We're stuck here now. Looks like they're actively logging on down this road this weekend, so we've got to keep our eyes open. This is a connector road from Highway 591 to Highway 734. We were here about 3 weeks ago too. We start with about 8 kilometers of road riding on this road. Maria tells me she thinks it's going to rain. We have the windshield in the back, just in case. So now we're stopping to put the windshield on. Maria says it's going to rain soon, so she has to put her coat on first. But first, the windshield is dirty, so she has to clean it. This doesn't clean very good. 4 bolts hold my windshield on, that's all it takes. 10 minutes later, it does start to rain. We keep riding the road for a little bit. We're looking for a trail that goes off to the north. That road on the left we try later on. We'll wait for the truck to make it up the hill here. He's working hard. GPS says there's a road on the left here, but no road. We keep road riding for a total of 15 kilometers. Highway 734 is coming up. Now we ride on here for a few kilometers. We'll try this logging road here. We're looking for trails that go off to the right on here. But we reached the end of the road. There's a trail that goes east here, but has not been used in quite a while. So we keep going on in the rain. Highway 734 again. We went by this road before, so now we'll try it. We drive around for a while, but it's almost lunchtime. So we get to the turnoff at Cutoff Creek, and we have lunch. Map says that this is Elk Creek. The water sure is high. This leads into the clear water. This is the Cutoff Creek Road. Old logging road is getting washed away here. We've camped here before. Maria says, go right, go right. And I always do what she tells me. wait for Len and Burl to get to the top. No sweat. This trail is like a roller coaster. Another old logging road. There's people camped all over down here. Finally, blue skies today. Highway 734 again. We're going to cross over here in a bit. Highway 734 runs into Highway 40 eventually. They're logging in here. We're going to cut off onto an old logging road pretty quick here. This is an old logging road. You'll see more of it eventually. These guys aren't just camping here, they're working for the logging company. We went by here earlier today. This is the connector road. This road leads us back to camp. Sorry about the foggy lens, don't realize it happens. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next trail.